What did you say?
You can't buy any toys.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe you should look around.
Can we buy toys now?
Oh, I think you should look around.
I want to buy some toys.
Well, if you go in the living room
Right.
and you take a look around, maybe you'll find something. Your buddies bought them.
Thank you, Ernie.
Oh, you're welcome, Z.
You. Hello, Seth.
Hey, what's up, Z?
Why are you?
Well, why don't you open and find out? Why don't you open the big one first?
Okay.
Oh, is that what it is?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder why these guys were working hard rapping.
Wow.
Oh, maybe you should open the other one now that you know what that one is. Well, open the other gift.
Wow.
Why don't you look at me while you're opening it? There you go. Hey, Z. What do you got? Show me. I love the hairdo. Nice nap, huh?
What about these things?
Is that the one you wanted? So magical? Is that the one?
Yeah, this one. Can I play with it?
Of course. Say thank you, Mama, Dada.
Thank you, Mama and Dada.
You're welcome.
We love you.
We love you too.
All righty.
Now, Lucy.
You want me to help you hook it up so you can play? Okay. Say bye for now.
Bye for now. Oh, what's this? Is this Nintendo? Nintendo DS. We can play this one if you work on here.
Yeah, I know. Isn't that neat?
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, Susie.
Wow. Open it.
La la loops. Ah.
Is that too close?
Ah. Yeah.
And Mama Silly?
Yeah.